That 85% male population that is the respondents, yes, of the protection orders, yep. I think they'd like to have some sort of civil matter indigence representation. And for every man that's ever been frustrated that your spouse got your kids and you didn't have any money to pay for an attorney, yep. And you appeared in court and they decided, well, we're just going to give the kids to her. Yes. Because every time there's an accusation of domestic violence, one of you has to go to jail. Yes. Now, if I looked at the percentage of women that go to jail because of domestic violence, very few police officers want to arrest a woman for domestic violence. Yes. Somewhat discriminatory because it seems like they don't have any problem causing a fight, but it's always the man that goes to jail. Yes. Now, for all the police reports of domestic violence where it's the man that is accused of the domestic violence, having an attorney represent you during these permanent protection order hearings, yes, could help the attorney explain to the judge what did take place on that day and time. See, most instances of domestic violence, yeah, it's an argument. It's something about, well, I want to use half the welfare to go buy new clothes for our kids. And the man says, no, I don't think we should spend half our welfare going to buy new clothes. I think we should save the money and we should just wait to see because we're going to move from Guam. Yes. And we might need that money when we move back to 1023 Kitchen Dick Road. Now, the actual argument that took place on the morning of July 2nd of 2011 was Heidi telling me, yeah, I want to take half of the food stamp money and buy new clothes for my sons. Yes. Now, she didn't tell me that she had purchased a plane ticket. No. She didn't tell me that she was going to kidnap them. No. She didn't tell me anything. Now, these default judgments, yes, a judgment rendered because of the defendant's failure to answer or appear. Yeah. Mm. See, a default judgment in the glossary of the Department of Justice, yes, is a judgment rendered because of the defendant's failure to answer or appear. Now, every time you're reissued a temporary protection order because of my failure to appear, yeah, let's go ahead. You gave her a default judgment without proof of service. Right. And for each time that happened since July 8th of 2011, when I failed to appear in court on, was it July, well, it was 12, 14, July 22nd of 2011. Do you know why I failed to appear? No. I was in jail. Oh, it makes it difficult to appear at a temporary protection court hearing when you're in jail on Guam. And then when I got out, I was unable to travel because they took my passport. And then when I failed to appear at the permanent protection order hearing on August 12th of 2011, obviously you gave a default judgment to my wife.